Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So, as a biker, the most irritating thing which can happen to you is the service indicator which keeps on blinking on your instrument cluster. So, be it any bike, if there is a provision in your bike for displaying the service indicator, it tends to irritate you a lot. And when you are done with your servicing, if the dealer forgets to reset that indicator, then it is more irritating for you. So this video is going to be about resetting your service indicator on your Himalayan 450 cluster. So stay tuned guys, I will quickly jump on the bike and show you how to reset the service indicator. This little fellow is irritating me and not allowing me to vlog properly. So there are a lot of disturbances and this is one of the disturbance. See. Hey, don't do it. So guys, see you on the bike. So this is my beautiful Himalayan 450 Hanley Black. It's two months old. So let me quickly start the bike. It will be dark over here. Let me hop on the bike. So now first step is to put your bike in 6th gear. So change. No need to start the bike, you may have to turn the wheel. I think I need to turn the wheel once. Okay, so now bike is in 6th gear. Okay, press home button on your left side handlebar. It will show. Now press your joystick once on the left side. It will show you trip 1. Navigate till you see service indicator. So now I have already done my first servicing and I am waiting for second servicing. So what you'll have to do is just press this joystick for 3 seconds on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. So once you are done with these steps, your bike will be showing you the next service due. For me it is second service, that's why it is showing 5000 kilometers or 180 days from the date of purchase. So that's it guys. Hey guys, hope you liked this video, and if you feel this video was helpful for you, then do like, share and subscribe so that I can keep putting up such a content which would help you in any way whichever possible. So thanks a lot guys for watching and see you in the next video.